this little number. Let's see how I can do that. There we go. All right. So welcome everybody to my weekly live show. I'm trying to make this work for both of you, for everybody here. There we go. Hopefully you can hear me. Hi everyone. I'm Tristan, your local real estate expert in San Diego. So let's get going, right? Grab a cup of coffee, dial in, let me know you're here. Our topic today, you guys, we're going to be doing a month of home seller tips, how to get your home ready to sell when you are thinking about getting going. I'm your holistic realtor, and I'm calling on all people who are having any thoughts about selling or borderline considering selling. So you don't have to be selling tomorrow, but these are just some great tips that you could even take to put into your house and make your house feel really wonderful. This is our bootcamp, home seller bootcamp mini series, and every week this month I'll be diving into the steps you should take to get your home ready for the market. So if you really want to join fellow boot campers who want to make the most money from the sale of their home, make sure you have your coffee ready and your notifications turned on for when I'm doing these live series. They're going to be every Tuesday at noon. So let's get started. All right. So today I'm going to be talking about the time frames that you need to do when you're thinking about selling. The biggest thing right now, if you're tuning in or you're going to watch this later, is about 30 to 60 days before you want to start to plan your, whether you're thinking about moving to a house that better fits your needs, or you're ready to downsize and stop doing your yard work, or maybe you have an investment property that you are wanting to sell. You need a game plan if you want to make the most money from the sale of your home. Today, I am going to lay out the time frames for what to do when and if you stay until the end. I have a special bonus that you can get your hands on. So I'll put the link into the comments as well. So 30 to 60 days out, you want to schedule a home selling consultation with your real estate agent. This step is crucial. It's a foundation for any home seller that is going to lay out a professional opinion and a walkthrough of your home so that we can get an idea based on your scenario and your home and what we could be able to sell for. And a couple of things to think about when you're selling in your home consultation and what that would look like if you have a home consultation with me. I like to have a conversation with you. I want to learn about you and your story. Why are you selling? Why did you buy this house? What did you love about living here? Who do you think that this house would be best suited for? And the more you can tell me, the better I can market it to that particular demographic group and attract the right buyers and give you a customized action plan for prepping your home for sale. Remember, at one time, you were the ideal buyer for your house. So you have a lot of insight into this mind frame for the next buyer for your home. That's the number one thing. Okay, after our conversation, that I promise is going to feel much more like having a glass of wine with a friend than like a home interview. Oh, I forgot to turn my thing on. Then running a PowerPoint presentation, and begging you to sign a contract. I'm just going to be creating a custom listing plan for you. It's going to include key things like staging, which I include complimentary, painting, which we may need to get a little done, furniture arrangement, any touch-ups, repairs you should take off before we put the home on the market. And then finally, I'm going to help you determine what paperwork you are going to need to have ready to get things moving. From about that point, 30 days out of putting the home on the market, we're going to customize your action plan. We're going to get the staging done. We're going to send over the deep cleaning people, and we're going to start the pre-packing for you. Now that you have that personalized action plan, it's time to do some of the work. And although this can seem overwhelming to start packing and organizing, I have a team of people that I will send over to your home to help you with this. I'll recommend such consultations as an organizer, possibly a landscape person, refreshing your front porch, getting even some beautiful flowers on the front porch is wonderful. We want to try to clean up all of the personal items, kids' toys, all of those things as well. I want to talk to you about shopping for necessary staging items or stager need. We just need to edit a little bit. As you get closer to this 15-day mark, you're going to want to start the deep cleaning of the house. This is probably the hardest part to maintain for people living in their home while they're selling it, but I promise you keeping your home organized and free of clutter is going to go a long way. If you get distracted, just always feel free to shoot me a message and I'm happy to help you with that. In week 2, I'm going to be sharing my home staging must-dos, followed by what to consider when pre-packing and cleaning in week 3. Make sure you keep your notifications on about when I'm going live. In the 10 to 15 days before we're selling your home, we're going to get the home photo ready. The windows are going to be washed. All of the oversized furniture is going to be removed from your home. The bookshelves are going to be organized and staged, and it's time for photos. These photos are what most buyers are going to see that want them to come and visit your home. So it's so crucial that these come out stunning. It's like putting our best foot forward online. Means we're also going to be getting more buyers to see your house, and we need it to look good. In week 4, I'm going to be sharing my tips for getting your house ready and show ready. This is the final stretch before the sale sign goes up. You'll be in regular contact with your agent at all times. Communication is crucial so you know what's going on in the sale of your house, how the details in the showings work, be aware of, such as open houses, broker opens, and broker caravans. I'm going to be very on top of things with you and how I stay in touch throughout this entire process. Thanks for tuning in this week about the first steps to getting your home ready. Before you go, I want to let you know that I designed a free guide just for you. It's going to outline all 4 steps, and if you'd like to download it, please click the link in the comments here or shoot me a DM. Even if you're just thinking about getting your home on the market and you want to know what can I do to start getting it ready so you're not overwhelmed at the end, please reach out. Happy to help. Guys, for watching. I'll be back next week at noon, and if you have any questions in the meantime, please let me know. See you guys next week.